Hello everyone, welcome back to the MS PowerPoint course. I hope you guys enjoyed the video on Home tab. It's very useful and it's gonna last in the long run, but you guys have to practice it. So let's move to another concept today, and it's gonna be a really interesting one. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do share it with anyone you found it's meaningful for. Let's get started.
Let's understand how our presentation is structured. Okay, how MS PowerPoint is structured. What you see here on your screen, this actually is your working area. Right, so if I just skip out of the presentation mode, you see this is your PowerPoint. And this white part is actually your working area. Now the benefit of using PowerPoint over other tools like Word and everything is that you can move an object freely anywhere. Right, so if I insert a text here, I go to insert. Right, and I've inserted this text, hello world. The best part is I can move it to the end of the words or end of the corresponding slides. Right, anywhere on my screen. So there are no constraints of where an object can lie. That's the first beneficial part. Now what you need to understand here further is anything which is outside this white box will actually be cropped when you're into a presentation mode. Right? So it will be cropped away when you're in a presentation mode. However, when you're seeing it in the outside view, like an outline view, you will be able to see what that object is and how much of it has been cropped. Great. So this is where all your objects are inserted. Let it be shapes. I'll explain you all of these one by one. So let it be shapes, let it be text, let it be any images, any graphics. This is where everything goes between these four corners, which you can see in white color. All right. Right. Next, what we want to cover, and I want to explain you that all of these menu options, which you'll be seeing on your screen now, right? All of these would be covered throughout session. So if you see, these are all the menus which you have in your ribbon. Right, if I step out of the presentation again, you'll see you have the home menu, multiple options here. You have insert, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, view. You may have developer tab as well. Not much needed in PowerPoint, but yeah. So all of these would be covered. All of those menu options will be covered.